Hello students, welcome to maths class. Today we are going to discuss the last exercise of this chapter, extensions, exercise 4E. So let's start the question number 1. The question is simplify x plus 6, x plus 4, x minus 2 by using identity. First we solve for this two terms, x plus 6 into x plus 4. Here we will use the identity x plus a, x plus b. We know that x square plus a plus b, x plus ab. Now here the value of a is 6 and b is 4. So when we apply this identity and this, so it will be x square plus a plus b, 6 plus 4, x plus ab. A is 6 and b is 4. 6 into 4 and x minus 2, it will be the same as it is. Now x square plus 10x plus 24 and x minus 2. Now in last we will multiply first term, and first term, second term to first term. Now let's do the simple multiplication. X square into x cube. Now 10x into x, 10x square plus 24 into x plus 24x. Now multiply by minus 2 plus minus plus minus minus 2 into x square minus 2x square, 10 plus and minus 2, 10 to 20 minus 20x plus minus minus 24 into 2, 48. After that we will arrange it in the decreasing form of degree of variable. So the highest degree is cube, x raised to the power 3, then square term. 10x square minus 2x square. It will be plus 8x square. Now plus 24x minus 20 plus 4x and minus 48. So this is the answer. Now let's do the question number 2. First part, simplify by using identity. 2x plus 3y into 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square. So first we analyze the question which identity we can use here. So we can use the identity. We know that a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. This identity seems like this. So we use here a cube plus b cube identity. So the value of a is 2x and value of b is 3y. Now apply the identity. A cube, 2x cube plus b cube, 3y cube. When we open the identity, it will be a plus b. A is 2x plus 3y. Now a square, 2x square is 4x square plus b square and minus ab is 2 into 3, 6xy minus 6xy plus b square plus 9y square. When we solve for cube, 2x cube will be 8x cube plus 27y cube. So the value of 2x plus 3y into 4x square minus 6xy plus 9y square will be 8x cube plus 27y cube. This is the answer. This part of question number 2 will be homework. Now question number 4, simplifies. Very important question. Let's see now. X square minus y square whole cube plus y square minus z square whole cube plus z square minus x square whole cube whole upon x minus y whole cube plus y minus z cube plus z minus x whole cube. When we analyze the question, then it looks like a identity of a cube plus b cube plus c cube. We know that in identity of a cube plus b cube plus c cube, if the sum of a, b, c will be 0, then the identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3ABC. So first we find the sum of ABC. Here in numerator, A is x square minus y square, B is y square minus z square, and C is z square minus x square. So first we find the sum. If it will come 0, then we apply the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So let's see, when we do the sum of x square minus y square plus y square minus z square plus z square minus x square. So this all term cancelled, plus minus comes 0. When the sum of ABC is 0, then the identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. So x square minus y square cube plus y square minus z square cube plus z square minus x square cube is equal to 3abc. And a is x square minus y square, b is y square minus z square, and c is z square minus x square. Same as it is, we find for the numerator. Here a is x minus y, b y minus z, and c z minus x. Now first we find the sum of a plus b plus c, x minus y plus y minus z plus z minus x. When we solve, it will come 0. So a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Now in place of numerator and denominator, we can put 3abc and 3abc for denominator. So numerator will be 3. A is x square minus y square into y square minus z square into z square minus x square. For denominator, a is x minus y, b, c, 3abc, 3a, this one is a, b, c. Okay, now let's see when we solve. So solve for numerator, x square minus y square. Again, this is the identity of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b. So open the identity, 3 x plus y, x minus y, y plus z, y minus z, z plus x, z minus x. And in the denominator, it will be the same, 3 x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. When we solve it, x minus y cancel, 3 cancel, y minus z, y minus z, z minus x, z minus x. What will left? X plus y plus z, and z plus x. So this is the answer. First we find the sum of a, b, c. This whole term is a, this b, this is c. A cube plus b cube plus c cube. If sum is 0, then we directly apply the identity a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. And a is 3, x square minus y square, y square minus z square, z square minus x square. Same as it is, we find the for denominator, a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. A is x minus y, y minus z, z minus x. And in last we open the identity of a square minus b square. We know that a square minus b square is a plus b, a minus b, and then cancel. This is the final answer. Okay, beta. Now let's do the question number 5. Question number 5. The question is 0.8 into 0.8 first part into 0.8 plus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5 upon 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. This type of question, first we let the number as a variable. So let 0.8 is equal to x variable and 0.5 is equal to y variable. Now in place of x and in place of 0.8 we can put x and 0.5 we can put y. So it will be x into x into x plus y into y into y upon x into x minus x into y plus y into y. So this is x 3 times, so it will be x cube plus y cube upon x square 2 times minus xy, y 2 times, so y square. Now we know the identity of a cube plus b cube is a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab upon x square minus xy plus y square. It's the same, it will be cancelled. So x plus y. Now in the last we put the value of x and y. The value of x is 0.8 plus y is 0.5. So answer will be 1.3. This is the answer. Here we use the identity a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay beta? Questions are very easy. You can try yourself. Now question number 6. Question number 6 is if a minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0, find a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. Find the value of a cube minus 8b cube plus c cube. 3 terms and cube. So which identity we can use here? A cube plus b cube plus c cube. And it is given a plus b plus c is equal to 0. We know that if a plus b plus c is equal to 0, then the identity is a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. Okay. Now first we write down the value of abc. A is a cube, b is minus 2b and c is 3c. When we find a cube plus b cube, value of b is minus 2b cube plus 3c cube. It is given a minus 2b plus 3c is equal to 0. So we can directly apply a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equal to 3abc. 3. The value of a is a. Value of b is minus 2b and value of c is 3c. Now 3 into 2, 6. 3 to just 6, 3 is 18 and minus sign, so minus 18abc. Here a cube minus, when we do the cube of minus sign, it will come minus. Minus 8b cube plus 27c cube, value is minus 18abc. This is the answer. Okay beta? Now let's do the question number 7. Question number 7 is if x plus 5y is equal to given 10, find x cube plus 125y cube plus 150 xy minus 1000. Find the value of this. Now first we analyze how it will come. X cube plus 125y cube. Then we do the whole cube of x plus 5y. So first we do the whole cube of x plus 5y. And we know the identity of a plus b whole cube is a cube plus b cube B. A is x and B is 5y. Within a bracket A plus B, x plus 5y. Now, x plus 5y value is given in the question, so put the value of x plus 5y. 10 cube is equal to x cube. When we do the cube of 5, it will come 125y cube plus 3 into 5, 15xy into, put the value 10. 10 cube 1000 is equal to x cube plus 125y cube plus 150xy. We need the value of x cube 125y cube plus 150xy minus 1000. So we send 1000 on right hand side. So it will be 0 here. X cube plus 125y cube plus 150xy. When we send 1000 the side will be negative. So this is the answer. The value is 0. Okay beta. Now let's do the next question. Question number 8. Question number 8 is important. Now, in question number 8, it is given the value of x is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, and question is find if x is equal to, given, find first part 1 upon x, second part x plus 1 upon x, third part x minus 1 upon x whole cube, and fourth part is homework. Now, first we write down the given value. It is given 3 plus 2 root 2. First find 1 upon x. So 1 upon x is equal to 1 upon 3 plus 2 root 2. How to solve? For 1 upon x, whenever in denominator, if under root sign will come, so we solve by rationalization. How to solve by rationalization? We multiply the numerator and denominator by the conjugate of this number. This is 3 plus 2 root 2. So we will multiply by 3 minus 2 root 2 in numerator and 3 minus 2 root 2 in denominator. And if it is negative, then we will multiply by positive sign in numerator and denominator. When we solve it, it will be cancelled and same number will come. Okay beta, now let's do. So in numerator, when we multiply by 1, it will come the same, and in denominator, this is the identity. A plus b, a minus b, a square minus b square. So 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 3 square is 9 minus 2 square 4 into under root 2. When we multiply by under root, then it will come 2. Under root 2 into under root 2, 2. Under root 3 into under root 3 is 3. If an under root value is same, like 2 and 3, under root 2 multiplied by under root 2, then it will be under root 4, and the value of under root 4 is 2. So when we square of under root 2, like under root 2 into under root 2, 2, under root will remove. Under root 3 into under root 3, it will be 3. Under root 4 into under root 4, it will be 4. Under root will be removed on that time. So under root 2 square is 2. When we solve it, it will come 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 9 minus 4 into 2, 8. 3 minus 2 root 2 upon 1. So we can write 3 minus 2 root 2. So the value of 1 upon x is equal to 3 root 2, 3 minus 2 root 2. This is the second part. This is the first part. Now second part. X plus 1 upon x. The value of x is given in question. So first we write the value of x. Now plus 1 upon x we have already found. Put the value of 1 upon x. 3 minus 2 root 2. When we solve, plus minus cancel, 3 plus 3. Answer is 6. Now for the third part, x minus 1 upon x. The value of x is given 3 plus 2 root 2 and value of 1 upon x we have already found. It will be minus 3 minus 2 root 2 and whole cube. When we open the bracket, it will be 3 plus 2 root 2 minus 3 minus minus plus 2 root 2 whole cube. Now plus minus cancel. 2 root 2 plus 2 root 2. How to add the under root numbers? We take under root as a common, so it will be under root 2 and within a bracket 2 plus 2 whole cube. So it is 2 plus 2, 4 root 2 cube. When we do the cube, 4 into 4, 16. 16 into 4, 64. Into root 2 into root 2, 2. And one more root 2, so it will be 2 root 2. Now numbers will be multiplied. 64 into 2, 4 to 8. 6 into 128 root 2 is the answer. Okay beta? 128 root 2 is the answer. Okay, now fourth part of question number 8 is homework. Now we will do the question number 9. This is the last question for today. If a plus b is equal to 11 and value of a square plus b square is equal to given 65, find a cube plus b cube. Now we know the identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Now analyze the question. The value of a plus b is given. Value of a square plus b square is given, but we need the value of ab. So first we find the value of ab. How to find? First we do the whole square of a plus b. And we know the identity. A square plus b square plus 2ab. A plus b value is 11 square is equal to a square plus b square value is also given 65 plus 2ab. 121 minus 65 is equal to 2ab. 121 minus 65 is 56 upon 2ab. Now we get the value of ab is 28. Now we are having the value of ab, a plus b, a square and b square. So put the values and identity. A cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b. A plus b is given. A plus b is given 11 into a square plus b square. A square plus b square value is given 65 minus ab. Value of ab is 28. So a cube plus b cube is equal to 11 into 65, 37. A cube plus b cube is equal to 11 into 37 is 407. So this is the answer. Okay, now understood. Now exercise 4E. This chapter is completed. Now in the next class we will start the new chapter. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.